Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming the exact error and user context on the device. Check Android version and account type before troubleshooting. Open Settings and navigate to System, then About Phone. Locate build number and tap it 7 times to attempt enabling developer options. If no change occurs, confirm whether the device is a work profile, managed device, or guest account. Also confirm enrollment in a device policy controller or MDM solution, restricting settings access. Note any company or parental control apps present on the device. If build number taps fail, try enabling developer options using other methods. For standard devices, sign into the primary owner account and repeat the 7 taps. For managed devices, contact the administrator to request developer options or remove the work profile if policy allows. If you control the host PC, use a DB. Connect with the DB devices and then run necessary PM or settings put commands. Use exact device owner user ID from PM list users before running ADB commands. Always get consent and backup data before making system changes. After applying changes, reboot the device and check developer options visibility in settings. If options appear, open developer options and enable USB debugging and stay awake as needed. If USB debugging is blocked, revoke USB debugging authorizations, then re-enable to refresh keys. If a policy or profile still blocks options, remove the work profile, uninstall the DPC, or request admin changes. If nothing restores access, consider a factory reset after backing up data and removing all linked accounts and profiles as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.